Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today I'm going to show you how you can literally 3D print anything by using this free skill that turns your AI agent into a hardware engineer. Let me break it down for you. This skill is called CAD Skills. It's a free set of skills that actually allows Claude to become an expert at 3D modeling. And when I say 3D modeling, I'm not even just talking about creating static 3D models, but I really do mean actually being able to create entire things that you can literally just 3D print for yourself. So as you can see, we have a moving pivoting table right here that was 100% created and modeled by AI. And we also have even a robotic arm that you can actually control with these settings. Everything will be linked in the description down below. Now, if you want to use this skill, you can actually use it with either Claude Code, Claude Cowork, ChatGPT Work, or Codex. It's super simple to install. The instructions are right here down below, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can set it up. In my case, I already installed it, and the process was extremely simple. So you literally just have to copy the repository where the skills are located. This is literally just the same thing as a Google Drive. And then you actually go into your favorite AI agent. In my case, I'm going to be using Codex for this. I just paste this right up in here and I tell it, hey, I want you to install this. So I'm just going to work inside of my Codex workspace right here. Hey, Codex, I want you to install this set of skills. Can you please do it for me? Thanks. If you're using Cloud Code, it is also going to work. So literally just send it that way. It's going to read through the repo and then it's going to do the entire installation for you. This takes a couple of minutes, so between, let's say, 2 to 3, nothing urgent. Now I'm going to come back to you when this actually finishes. And we're back. So as you can see, in my case, it only took 3 minutes and 33 seconds for Codex to actually just install everything that was needed directly from the repo. Now, it tells you that you actually need to restart the session. It's not the case. If it actually installed them, you can actually just run them in the session directly. So don't let him gaslight you. You can simply tell him, hey, we're going to use them. Please, I want to build this. Now, in my case, what we're going to be building is I recently purchased a Stream Deck Plus that I actually just set up with a lot of commands thanks to Codex. And now what I want to do is I want to build a stand for it, either a stand or something that's going to help me just clamp it onto my desk and then have like 5 centimeters extra so I can actually just use it while I'm filming. I'm going to tell Codex that I want to build it and I want to use those skills to build it. Hey Codex, I recently purchased a Stream Deck Plus and I want to build an attachment for my desk that is going to help me put it like 5 centimeters away from my desk so I can actually use it when I'm standing and filming videos. Can you please check all of the specifications that you need from the official site from Elgato and then build this clamp for me? Thanks. Remember to also include the screws. I'm going to be 3D printing this. And we can send it this way. Now, it's actually different when you want to model something just for the fun than when you actually want to 3D print it. If you tell it straight up that you want to 3D print it, it's actually going to split all of the elements that actually need to be combined afterwards. So it's just going to make it a lot simpler for you if you really just tell it, hey, I'm going to be 3D printing this in the future. Now, actually creating the 3D model is something that takes a bit more time than just installing the skills. This is between 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to come back with the 3D viewer so I can show you what it created when it's actually done. Catch you right afterwards. So as you can see, it's been working for 10 minutes right now, and it actually decomposed the task into 5 different steps. So it actually did manage to find the official data that it's actually going to use to be able to create this clamp. You can ask it to fetch information online, or you can even just give it your own information and it's going to be able to handle it. I'm going to come back to you when it actually finishes. And we're back. So as you can see, it actually took 26 minutes to be able to create this. It's this image right here. It's normal if it takes longer on the first try that you actually use this skill. But what's actually interesting is that we can actually just verify the 3D model. We can literally just go ahead, test it out, see how it works. We can even check the 3D printable copy right here that we actually have. So we can also open it on the browser right here. We know how it's going to be working. Now, thanks to this skill that I'm sharing with you and thanks to its creator, we have the equivalent of simple hardware engineers. So if you have a 3D printer at home, this is going to speed up your workflows so much. It's so interesting to see what we can now build thanks to AI. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have a 3D printer at home or a friend with one, because now the possibilities of just building hardware for yourself are completely endless. I'm going to say catch you soon and see you. Bye.